Keep watching to see how to make this Happy Birthday to You card with rhinestone accents. Shown here are the supplies that you need to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. I used a ruler to help me get the lines of the banner nice and straight. Once you're happy with the design and it's all drawn in pencil, take a thin black pen and trace over the lettering, so the word happy and to you. Here I'm using the Faber-Castell pen in size S. And next, using the same pen, outline the word birthday. Continue on outlining the design with your thin black pen and move on to the banner. I found that rotating the banner helped me hand draw the lines nice and straight. If you want perfectly straight lines, all you need to do is use a ruler. Then the final step with your thin black pen is to draw in these line accents on either side of the banner. And again, if you wanted these lines perfectly straight, all you need to do is use a ruler. Next, switch over to a thicker black pen to color in the banner black. Using a thicker pen will make this step a lot faster. And basically color in the entire banner, leaving the word birthday white. For this step, I used the Faber-Castell pen in size B. I found that I needed to go over everything again for a second time just to get a really saturated black color, but this may vary depending on the exact pen that you're using. You could simply leave the card like this if you want a little bit of a plain or simpler version. Or if you've decided to add the rhinestones, the next step is to simply place them on the card where you'd like them to go. And then once you're happy with the placement, use your glue and glue them on. And once the glue is dry, this card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.